Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device supports voice passwords and that your OS is up to date. Connect a quality mic and position it about 6 to 12 inches from your mouth. This reduces room noise and ensures consistent input. Once done, sign into the account where the voice password will live and enable voice control under security or accessibility. You do this now so the system captures clean samples and links the voice model to your profile for reliable recognition later. You now pick a secure phrase, 3 to 6 words, and avoid simple common phrases. Say it slowly the first time, then at natural speed. The system needs 5 to 10 samples capturing slight pitch and pace variation so it learns your range. Make sure to include any numbers or special wording if the system supports them. After recordings, check confidence scores and re-record low-quality samples. This training reduces false rejects and helps the model distinguish you from others in similar acoustics. You finish by enabling fallback authentication like a PIN or biometric to avoid lockout, and set voice sensitivity to medium so you balance security and convenience. Test unlocking from several distances and in typical noisy conditions you expect to encounter, because that validates real-world reliability. If the system false rejects or accepts others, retrain the voice model, update or reinstall mic drivers, or reset the voice profile. This troubleshooting step prevents permanent lockout.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.